You know those videos of people saying, "Here's what I eat in a day," or "Here's how I study for exams"? Well, I thought it would be fun to do a "Here's what a data analyst does in a day" video. So here goes. When I first got hired as a data analyst, I imagined my days would be all about solving cool problems, building complex models, and feeling like a genius all day long. But let me give you the realistic version. The day usually starts with checking emails and messages. And trust me, you'll always have requests waiting for you. From managers wanting weekly sales numbers, marketing asking for campaign performance, sales wanting to know why the numbers are down. Everyone wants something urgent, so I prioritize these requests based on what's most important. Then comes the dreaded data cleaning. Probably 50% of a data analyst's day is spent fixing messy data. This includes dealing with missing values, duplicate records, weird typos that break your whole analysis. It's not the most glamorous part of the job, but it's the backbone of getting good results. After cleaning the data, I dive into the fun part, which is actually doing the analysis. This might include building queries in SQL to get the data I need, exploring trends in Excel, Power BI or Python, and so on. This is where things get interesting. You get to spot patterns, test hypotheses, and see if the data supports the big questions the team has. The mid-morning or afternoon usually involves meetings. This could be discussing findings with the product team, explaining the latest dashboard, or sometimes defending why certain numbers don't match the stakeholders' expectations. As a data analyst, communication is key. A big part of my day is spent translating complex data into something that decision makers can actually act on. In the last hour or two of the workday, I usually update dashboards, document my work, a step that many beginners skip but is super important, and plan tasks for tomorrow. Sometimes I also try to learn a little bit. This could be learning a new tool, scripting a small automation to make my life easier, or brushing up on statistics. Being a data analyst isn't all about fancy algorithms. It's about solving problems, cleaning up messes, and telling clear stories with data every single day. I hope this honest day in the life video helps you decide if this career is right for you. Good luck on your data journey, and see you in the next video.